A severe thunderstorm was located near Claremont, or near Owatonna, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Claremont around 8:50 p.m. Dodge Center and West Concord around 8:55 p.m. Mantorville around 9 p.m. Casson around 9:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads 20 and 5, Oslo, Concord, Eden, Highway 57 and 570th Street, County Roads 6 and 15 and County Roads 5 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Dodge, Minnesota. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK-41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service Office.
Well, that was a surprise. Let me just see. Ah, copyright. Well, that was a surprise, that's video.